Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Thai cuisine and learn how to make a classic dish, Pad Thai. Now, let's get started. We'll need some shallots, chives, vegetable oil, garlic, crushed peanuts, and of course, our main ingredient, rice noodles. First, let's cook the noodles in boiling water. While they're cooking, let's prepare our sauce. Combine shallots, chives, garlic, and a touch of vegetable oil in a pan. Once the noodles are cooked, add them to the pan and mix everything together. Top it off with some crushed peanuts and voila! You've got yourself a delicious Pad Thai. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!